Hello there, Judd here. So I come out to do some work on my car, quickly give up on that. I'm not a mechanic. So I figure I'll come over here and dig in the dirt and clean up a little more of this edging here. Got that all dug out very nicely, right? So I'm sitting here, I'm digging, and then I'm going on to the inside, and I look up, and bam! Look, there it is. It bloomed. Wow. Okay, there you go. That's that cactus thing. Look at that. Wow. That is beautiful. Wow. How about that, huh? Let's see. Has it got puffy wings? No. Okay, just that pod just opened up. Okay. Now, I'm not smelling anything, but there you go. Look at that. Wow. That is one hell of a bloom, huh? Wow. Okay, there you go. Ha! Was sitting right there in front of me. I didn't even notice it. Been digging out roots here, cleaning up all this soil, and found a wee bit of a root here. This thing goes right under the house. I've seen it before when I was doing the stone work. But that baby is a big monster. Gotta get rid of that. Gotta get the big clippers for that. Okay, and here's that root I took out. It's a good hunk of root, and there's the rest of the root and the other scrap that I filtered out from the dirt. Got that all cleaned up nicely, all the dirt there dug out. Okay, still got a long way to go in this project. I mean, look at all that back there. And this damn stuff grows faster than I can keep track of it. But for the moment, I got this thing. Now, interesting thing, this thing here, you saw the pictures just a moment ago, and it's already like folding way back upon itself. So I'm not sure how long that bloom will last, but that is one hell of a bloom, huh? Okay, there you go. There's a look on the garden. Like Lucinda said, we got some new things coming in on that thing. And she even named it, which I keep getting lousy at. This is looking good. And I gotta dig out the apricot plants still. Pineapple over there. Okay, we're coming along. We got ways to go here, but we're coming along. And you know, when you get to see things like that, that kind of makes it all worthwhile. That is, boy, that is special. Cactus aren't exactly known as flowering plants, but boy, when they do, they sure make a show of it, huh? Okay. Happy day to you from the clean section.